Hey guys, it's Allie. Hope you're having an amazing day, but I'm here to make it just a little bit better. I'm gonna do an unboxing and swatch party of our Unleashed eyeshadow palette. First of all, the packaging is so pretty. I love the leaves. It's bright purple and blue. You open it on up, you get a palette. There's that little bugger. Ooh, there it is. And you get a free travel size Big Ego mascara, which is actually $12 usually. So the palette plus this is $39. It's pretty good deal there. So this is the palette. Once you open it up, it actually has a metallized component. It's so pretty. It's hot pink. And then the front has this like really cool 3D effect. It's really fun. Open it up and you have the dust cover. It says hashtag Tarte Unleashed. And then here are the 15 extra large shades. They are so pretty and I'm gonna swatch them for you. All right, so first we have Swan Song, which is this pearly white shade. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Oh Dear. It's a really pretty rosy transition shade, and it's nice because it's kind of a mix of cool and warm, so you can really use it for any look. Sorry for the middle finger. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Hypocritical. These are all animal puns if you didn't know. And this is a really pretty metallic, like rose gold. Ooh, that swatch is really pretty. Next, I'm gonna take this chocolate brown shade called Bare Necessities. Bare Necessities. Next is this matte plum shade named Qualified. Now let's get on to the next row. All right, next I'm gonna take this orange shade called Two Can Do It, which I'm actually just wearing these two shades on my lid today. This is debatably my favorite shade.
That swatched really well.
Yeah. Next I'm gonna take this deeper orange called No Fox Given. These are just so creamy. I love them. They're like my favorite mattes ever. Whoa. They're so easy. I literally just have this in the crease and this all over the lid, blended it out, and you have an easy two-step look. Next, I'm gonna take this shade called I Wanna Love You. I'm not the best swatcher, but. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right here called Irrelevant. Real pretty. Actually, it's a little bronzy too. These four would make a beautiful look. No! David! Oh, no! It's alright. Next, I'm gonna take this green shade called Totally. Alright, so that is the second row of shades. Now let's go on to the final row. This guy is called You're Lying. Really pretty peachy champagne. Next, I'm taking this bright gold called Monkey Business. Wasn't that Black Eyed Peas album?
I don't remember.
Come on.
I did own them on
I think
CD,
it was.
but...
Next, I'm gonna take the shade Camouflage, which is like a lighter brown. Next, I'm gonna take this really pretty, it's actually like a very underrated shade. I feel like nobody in the office has worn it yet, called Hawkward. And it's really pretty, like sage green, but also like bluish, but also like champagne-y. I'm not really sure how to explain it. Ah, dang it, I just ran my finger through all these swatches. 1 second. And last but not least, we have this shade, Party Animal. Ooh, baby. I like paint my arm with that swatch. All right, so that is our Unleashed palette. It's vegan and cruelty-free. We've been cruelty-free for 19 years. So this year we were like, let's celebrate these babies, give them some punny names, and create this beautiful palette. Comment down below what in the collection you guys are picking up. The palette is seriously incredible. It's $39 and you get the $12 mascara for free. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and until next time, I'll see you soon. All right, cut, we're done. I hate hearing myself talk.
Ew.
Does it sound like the book in Harry Potter that's like, right? Are you f***ing kidding me? Get out. Whatever. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, done.
Okay.
Now what should I say?
Bye.
Peace.